Diesel engine is an internal combustion engine where ignition of the fuel is caused by the elevated temperature of the air in the cylinder due to the mechanical compression. It is right under the bonnet, in the front of the car. A faulty diesel engine indicates starting problems that your vehicle may be continually cranking and not starting up due to low compression. If it is worn in the injectors or ring wear, it may consume more fuel inefficiently, or cause leaking extra fuel into the chamber, which comes out of the exhaust in the form of black smoke. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the diesel engine related error codes. Stop driving if you find these symptoms in your car, and repair your vehicle immediately. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.